Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today I am going to put together a kit I got in the mail. The kit I got is from KittyWitty. You can find KittyWitty on Instagram or on YouTube. So KittyWitty puts together many different types of kitschy journals and things. One of her journals is called a KittyDori, and the KittyDori is known for a sewing pattern cover, and I actually purchased this one probably maybe a year ago, and I have it shown on my channel. So if you want to see the flip through, it is on my channel. But I'm showing this to you because I get to make one, because I ordered her kit. So let's open it up and see what's involved. So KittyWitty has put together what she calls her KittyDori kit, and it has everything you need to make one of these. So let's open it up. It's a little thank you card. That's cute. So included in the kit, she has actually put a cover together that will hold the kit. So this is the basis of the kit. So she has a Get Well card, some ephemera, and then 2 pieces of scrapbook paper, some vintage sugar cookies, children's book. There's a doily, now I do not know if these are in order. Oh, I love this. But it looks like it has all of the papers. Very nice. I'm imagining these just get folded down the center. So what I will do is try to put some of these together. I'm going to use this as a map. So I've cleared my desk off a little bit. I am going to do this methodically. Alright, so I just put together all of the papers that was included in my KittyDori kit. So let me go ahead and trim all this excess, and I will be back to put the ephemera that I received in it and see how it looks. Be right back. Okay, I am back now, and I have to say, I absolutely adore this cover. I love this little black dress and shoes, and the blue, the hairdos, everything about this is super, super cute. So I cut down all the papers, and let's go ahead and take a flip through and see how they look. I love these ladies. Now, this is some vintage paper here of music paper, and it's split while I creased it. So I just added some of this washi tape, which is to be expected with a lot of vintage papers. It's not uncommon at all, but it still keeps it really nice to look at. Vintage is, oh, it's so pretty. And here you can see I washi taped the center of it. Now I do wish that there were a few more pieces of heavier paper, because there are an awful lot of these vintage pieces, which of course I adore, but it's kind of hard to journal on so many of just the flimsy paper. So I think I may eventually go back and add some regular crafting paper. Maybe just 2 sheets is all I will need. Because 2 sheets would give me, you know, the front and back. And I think that would make all the difference. But this is just super cute. Such a super cute kit. I love these women here. They look so elegant. And there is the journal. So what I'm going to do is look at some of this ephemera, and I do not have any pockets or anything in here, and I don't necessarily want to glue them down. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use all the ephemera and place it where I'll want it, and then I'll know next time. That looks pretty there. Now here's where it gets a little flimsy, so I would probably put some cardstock right there. And I would love to do some more sewing imagery. Like, I like this a whole lot, but I think I want to make this as my centerpiece. This is just looks like maybe it's vintage and it's just folded up as 2 pockets. And I think that would look spectacular in here. So I'm going to do that. I think I'll cover up this little spot here with a tag. maybe stick it out a little bit. I think that'd look cute. I don't think I want to put common people near these ladies. They are far from common. They are super, super sophisticated. So I think I will just maybe put a tag right there. So this is my kit finished from KittyWitty that you can order, and it has everything you need to make your own junk journal. Now, I also had ordered this beautiful chenille cover from KittyWitty. She sells these. These are so pretty. I love them. And I want to put my journal here. So here's my center, and put it right here in this little notebook. Isn't that adorable? Isn't that just the cutest? Absolutely beautiful. And then I'll put my other KittyDori right here. Here's her centerpiece. I like the centerpiece with the pockets, and you can put all your ephemera there until you decide where to place it. So I have this one. This one. I had so much fun, and it was so cute. It's just so adorable. I'm super happy. I want to thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time on Sugar Hiccups. Bye bye.